To Pedro. Oh, that's given away cheaply. Here's Jitin. It's a mistake by Bonoland. Jitin. It's a Jerry!
बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ मैया जेननाया माब्रैमोन बहाय माबायदि मा मिस्टेक जादों नैबे भिडिअ'आव हमनो हागोन जाजेननायनिफ्राय फार्स्ट गलनिफ्राय आं नैबे भिडिअ'खौ देखायगोन गोबाङा नुबाय गोबाङा नुवाखैदां माने बे केमेरा सेटआप खालामनानै दोननायनिफ्राय क्लिक खालामनायनि बे सनि लाइभनि भिडिअ'।
He doesn't miss from there. If there's one man you don't want the ball to fall to in front of goal, it's Aladdin Ajare. He gets his 6th goal of this 134th Indian Oil Duran Cup.
It was the error from the defender. And look at Jatin. 3 traps, 1 good touch. Just places that ball the far end. Goalkeeper has got no chance with that technique that he uses from his in-foot. Just keeps it straight. And goalkeeper goes the other way. What a beautiful pass there from Jatin. The second time he's been doing in the last 2 matches.
Allowed an error really to creep into their game to give North East United the lead. You cannot afford to make mistakes. Here they come though with Robinson. Touch is heavy, it's taken him a little bit wide. Recovers well though, Robinson from the angle. Into the side netting. There were 2 players looking for the ball to be pulled back. You can just see Junior's reaction there on the edge of the area. That first touch really took him a little bit too wide and didn't really recover.
What a chance that is for this youngster Arjun.
Here's Jitin off to Samte. Just the wrong side of the post from the northeast fullback who may have injured himself. It was actually Arjun, by the way, at the other end that had that shot. Samte's header away. Robinson quickly closed down from behind by Chema Nunes. Still Robinson. Straight at Gurmit though, who just palms the ball away. Nobody following in. But it's another shot with great pace from outside the area, this time from Robinson. Poor giveaway from Arjun once again, who's tracking back onto defensive duty here. Now Aladdin Ajare loves to run at defenders. Chema Nunes couldn't get the ball out of his feet. Rinzuala just got underneath it. He knew the challenge was coming there, I think, Rinzuala. And may just have pulled out slightly, but I think the whistle may have gone anyway. Zabako just allowed to run. Nice ball played into the path of Samte. Rinzuala in the middle. Andy arriving. Picked out perfectly. And it's another first-time goal for one of the new Spaniards in the North East United side, and it's doubled their lead.
It's going to be interesting to watch this beautiful ball there from Zlako. Look at the land. Just checks himself beautifully. Puts everybody off that guard. And Andy comes from behind. Keeps his composure so well. Goalkeeper gets his hand to it, but just couldn't stop that ball. What a fantastic goal that is. And that's going to be interesting. If they can get a goal back over here, it'll be a game on over here. Nicely defended once again. And both the players, Ashur and Zabako, have been strong over there. And this time, Abdul is the man. Abdul is the man back over here. Just gives away the ball.
Well, hoisting is on the way through. Aladdin Ajare in the middle, round the goalkeeper, and surely Aladdin Ajare, who's making the most of it. Well, Bonoland will be furious because they felt there was a clip on the ankle there of Abdul, who went down late. It has to be said, there was a touch from Toy Singh, but it is Toy that's made the goal, and he doesn't rush. He took his time. He rounded the goalkeeper, rounded the defender, and Aladdin Ajare goes on to 7. It's another double for the Moroccan.
Getting onto the ball beautifully. Just look at that. That physical battle was won by Toy. And just goes up front. Look at him all the way. It was Ajare who tried to tease the goalkeeper beautifully. Then came in the defender. He teased him, getting on the far, getting into the acute angle. But from left to right, he grows into that possession and then puts the ball in. Brilliant piece of work from him. Brilliant piece of work. Toy and Ajare. What a combination this has been in the second half. And teasing goal all the way.
Twisting and trying to weave his way through. Hyro in the middle. Partib's in the middle. Ajare's in the middle. But it doesn't reach either of them. It goes out off the knees of the defender for another corner to North East United, who are trying to keep this pressure on now, looking for a 4th goal.
What a fantastic opportunity for a youngster to get into a top league tournament.
Andy's corner again comes to nothing. Redeem. What a good effort from Redeem Talang, turning back the clock, and Berghang with a fingertip over the bar to deny Talang what would have been a stunning goal if he found its way in. Yeah, the other quarter-final tomorrow, don't forget, the early game is Jamshedpur taking on Diamond Harbour. Can Diamond Harbour cause an upset? Here they come again. Partib! Seemed to have done the hard work by getting his foot round the ball and taking it away from the defender. Be interesting to see what the future holds for them as a team, of course. Here's Hyro, just opened up for him. Nice little ball, slipped through. And having missed one a moment or so ago, Partib Gogoi keeps his cool this time to slip the ball beyond the goalkeeper. And North East United have a fourth goal.
They're good controllers of the ball, and that's exactly what happens over here. Look at that, makes himself very good space behind the defender. He's got that ability. First touch was good, takes it a little wide away from the defender. No chance for the goalkeeper. Well done there from Gogoi. The man who just comes in and scores a goal for his team, the fourth one.
It's always going to be a tough battle for them against North East United. Having got a 1-0 win against Punjab, beat Morning Star, beat ITBP by 4-0. But they really have met their match tonight against North East United, the defending champions. As the full-time whistle goes to put North East United's place in the semi-final of this 134th Indian Oil Durand Cup. 2 from Ajare, 1 from Andy, and 1 from Partib. It's comprehensive, it's tough on Bodoland, but the defending champions march a step closer to a retention of that Durand Cup.